After 8 years of legal motions, appeals, and delays, the murder trial of Curtis Reeves is finally underway.
The attorneys for the state and the defense told the jury what they hope the evidence will show. The state maintaining that Reeves was angry when he shot Chad Olson and the shooting was not justified, but the defense maintains that Reeves acted in self-defense.
News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson joins us live right now in Dade City with an update on today's proceedings.
Good evening, Jen and Keith. Well, this shooting happened in a movie theater way back in 2014 as these two men argued over the use of a cell phone. It comes down to this. Was Curtis Reeves justifiably in fear for his life, and did he act in self-defense?
Please don't get in our way. Thank you.
Curtis Reeves walked into a Dade City courtroom this morning to begin the trial of his life. Reeves, a retired Tampa police captain, has been a part of many legal proceedings, but this one will decide his guilt or innocence. Reeves is accused of shooting and killing Chad Olson in 2014 after the two men argued. The state says Reeves was initially the aggressor as he demanded Chad Olson stop using his cell phone during movie previews.
You're going to learn from a witness that the defendant's tone was kind of demanding. Turn your cell phone off.
Reeves then went to theater management and asked them to step in. But when they didn't immediately do that, Reeves and Olson confronted each other again in the theater.
While he's standing up, he says, if it's any of your business, and there may be an F-bomb in there, I was texting my daughter. Now, the evidence will show you that he was on Facebook. The evidence will show you that under the law, whether he was on Zillow, buying a car, buying a house, checking the stock market, Facebook, texting, you can't shoot and kill somebody.
The defense for Reeves is that Chad Olson then became the aggressor and took popcorn from Reeves' lap and threw it in his face.
What the prosecutor has to prove, what the government has to prove, what the state of Florida has to prove in this case, beyond a reasonable doubt, that this was not justifiable.
The defense says Reeves, who was then 71, was in declining health, and he feared the younger man.
That evidence has to measure up beyond the exclusion of every reasonable doubt that Curtis Reeves did not act justifiably.
After opening statements from the state and the defense, the first witness called in this trial is Chad Olson's wife, Nicole, who was also in the movie theater at the time of this incident. She was actually shot in the hand as Reeves shot and killed Olson. She was trying to protect her husband. We'll have some of her testimony tonight at 6. In Dade City, Jeff Patterson, 8 on your side.